Okay, today we're looking at a 2014 Hyundai Azera Limited, 77,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. All right, it's pearl white in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. All right, it does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. It's got your lock, unlock button here on the door handles. Driver's side of the Azera is in great shape. It does have rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything is in really good shape on this 14. Alright, it's got 77,000 miles on it. And once again, it's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, it's got the chestnut brown and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have the foldable side mirrors as well. There's your power driver seat with the memory seating settings there. Infinity audio. Alright, it does have the chestnut brown leather driver seat here. Got the perforated insert. Alright, nice big storage, center console storage here. It's got your heated and cooled seats. Alright, it does come with the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat leather is in good shape as well. Alright, it is an automatic. It's got your USB iPod auxiliary plug here with the power outlet. Got your dual climate controls, entertainment system here, SD map card reader, CD player, AM, FM, navigation, backup camera, push button start. Alright, we'll show you all that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 77,566 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, went ahead and activated the navigation here. Excuse me, went ahead and activated the navigation. All right, got your AM, FM selections here. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. AC's blowing cold, no problem there. And we'll give you another shot of the dual climate controls now that everything's turned on. And once again, you got your USB iPod auxiliary plug here. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, it does have the rear heated seats. Carpet back here is in good shape. Alright. Leather is also well taken care of. It does have the perforated inserts back here as well. Alright, it does have the center console that comes down. Got your cup holders there. Alright, go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's take a look at the trunk space. Got the nice hard plastic mat back here. Right. Also has a spare tire. I'll step to the side here and let you see just how much room you got back here. There's a ton of room in the back of this Azera. Alright, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 18-inch alloys. Alright, tires are still in good shape. Alright, once again, it's a 2014 Hyundai Azera Limited. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax, one owner, 77,000 miles on it. This thing is in fantastic shape, inside and out. You got to come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you very much for watching the video.